So good morning, my dear children, and
Good
welcome
morning.
back to the English literature class. Right?
Yes,
I didn't
ma'am.
get I didn't get a good morning, proper good morning. Come on.
Good morning, ma'am.
I think so. Some of you have just got up and just brushed your teeth, and they are in front of the camera for the English literature class.
No, ma'am.
No.
No, ma'am.
What about your breakfast? Did you have breakfast all?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay.
No, ma'am.
Okay, so now October 6th, we are going to write the English literature exam, right? So I'm going to give you a small gist, a small idea, not small idea. I'm going to give an idea about the question paper. So just listen carefully. Please don't talk in between. If you have any doubt, you can ask me later. So as you get the question paper, you have got a reading passage. You have got a passage which is very easy. You need to read the passage carefully, and there are 4 questions which are there, which are based on the passage. So read the passage properly and answer the questions to the point, right? That is section A. I have given heading as section A, that is reading. Then section B comes the literature part, where you have 1 mark question. 1 mark question I had given you a written test. Do you remember, for example, like who was Abu? Why was poet? What was poet wonder about? Right? Why did the poet or what did the poet wonder about? Do you remember these kind of questions? Simple questions.
Yes,
Where
ma'am.
did Tom Canty live? Or how many nights did the poet did not sleep? So these kinds of questions. These kind of questions which carry only 1 mark. Okay. So there are 5 questions which carry 1 mark each. Then you have the antonyms, and you have the meanings, then past tense, then vocabulary exercises. Don't forget. Okay. Vocabulary exercises also I have included. So please go through the vocabulary exercises. Then comes the section C, that is the writing part. Either you will have a friendly letter or a diary entry. So this is all about the question paper. Question paper is very easy. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Because I know
Ma'am?
that I have, listen, don't talk. I have given you revision, a thorough revision is given to you, touching all the parts, right? We revised all the question answers. We have revised 1 mark question answers. We have revised 2 mark question answers. We have revised the antonyms. We have revised the meanings. We have revised the vocabulary exercises, then the diary entry, then the friendly letter. And at last, we are on the last stage that we are going to revise the past tense. With that, I think so I have given you a thorough revision. Thorough revision means what? A proper and a detailed revision of all the topics which come under English literature. Catherine, put the hand down. Don't disturb. Just listen to me now. Okay. So I don't think so you should have any doubt. If you have any doubt, just send me a message. Now, before some time, I have put all the antonyms of all the lessons in one form. That is, I have sent a PDF. Did you see just before joining the class? Okay. So I'll just send the past tense also, so that it will be easy for you to learn. Okay. Catherine, tell me, what do you want to say?
Excuse me, ma'am. In the notes, you have given some big questions like what did the king told Abu
Everything
to
you have to study, Catherine. Everything should be studied. Nothing. I have not told you to not to study anything. 2 mark questions. Sorry, that I forgot. 2 mark questions are also there. Okay, not only 1 mark, 2 mark questions are also there, where you have to learn all these big answers.
Ma'am, that river, sea, and also, ma'am, in the to sleep chapter,
What is that, Achyut? I did not understand.
that poet thinks about at the night when
Everything,
he
Achyut, whatever question answers I have given, you have to learn, because
Ma'am, that
there
is
are
a one page question answer.
it is not 1 page all, because I only sent. I know it is not 1 page, it is 2 pages. Okay, Achyut. Okay, so see, as Catherine reminded me, I had forgotten that. As Catherine reminded me, there are questions which carry 1 mark. There are questions which carries 2 mark each. So you have to learn all the big question answers. Okay, Adhar, what is that? Adhar, I can't hear you. Mayasa, tell me, Mayasa, what do you want?
Ma'am, and the X sum suffixes is there.
Everything is there, my dear Maya. So that's what I told her. Vocabulary exercises means what? The workbook which we have done, everything you have to study. Don't miss anything. That's what I told you. We had a Google form test of this workbook also. Do you remember, Mayasa? Yes. So everything you have to study. Okay, Athar, what is that? Athar, I can't hear you. I can't hear you, my dear. Okay. Is there any other doubt regarding Achut? Tell me, what is that?
Ma'am, in the diary entry, we want to write a full diary entry.
Full diary entry means what? Topic. Don't learn the diary entry by heart. As I have told you, you should know the format. Okay, you should know the format, but don't learn the same diary entry. That same diary entry I have not given. How can I give the same diary entry which I myself have taught? Right? I have taught you the pattern. I have taught you how to write. So a different topic will become. It's easy. It's easy. Okay. It's easy. Yeah. Okay, Janvi, what is that?
Ma'am, in the workbook page number 10, that will be there.
What is it on the page number 10?
Ma'am, that we want to write with the full stop and.
Janvi, my dear, I think so that is not given in your portion. Did you check the portion, Janvi?
Yes, ma'am.
Is this given in the portion?
No, ma'am.
Then you need not study. Okay, what is there in the portion only you need to study. Yes. Any other serious doubts? Okay, Hazel, what is that, Hazel?
Ma'am, in page number 3, exercise 2.1, that Miss Furjan disagree informal that
On
was
the page number 3.
three.
Workbook.
Ma'am, I think it's prefixes.
Now 1 minute, just 1 minute. Please take your portion. Hazel, take the portion slip which I have sent. Have I sent this exercise in your portion slip? Just check timetable and the portion. Is it given to you? Is it given to you? Just check and tell me. Don't ask me what is not there in the portion, my dear. Don't get confused and don't make others confused. You just check the portion slip. Where is Hazel gone? Hazel, my dear, please check.
Ma'am.
Now what is given? Module 4 is, no, we'll go in order. Okay, module 4, just check module 4. What have I given? Exercise 2.19, 2.2. Am I right? Yeah. 2.19, 2.2 means you have to take the page number 43 and 44 in your workbook. Just check the page number 43 and 44 in your workbook. Is it done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. It's done, my dear. It's done. I know it's done because we have already written a test also. Then we have the module 5. Module 5 also, exercise 2.1 and 2.2. Other, just put the hand down. Okay. So module 5 also, just check module 5. Which exercise have I given? 2.1 and 2.2 on the page number 55 and 56. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am. Suffixes.
Yeah. Is it done? Is it done?
No, 56. 56 is not done.
Sorry. 56 is not there. 55 itself. 55 itself. 2.1 and 2.2. Is it done?
Yes, ma'am.
Is this given in your portion slip, syllabus slip? Yes. Yes, it's given. It's given. Vedika is showing me it's given. Everybody is showing me. Okay. Then comes module. Which module comes the diary entry? Just read out module. Which module? Under which module comes the diary entry? Module 2. Module 2 comes the diary entry, and the friendly letter comes under. Friendly letter comes under which module again?
Module 3.
Module 3. Am I right? So module 2 diary entry, module 3 friendly letter, module 4 exercise 2.1, 2.2, then module 5 exercise 2.1, 2.2. Am I right? I think so. We have finished all these things and we have revised all these things and we have written test on all these topics. Am I right, Hazel? Where is Hazel? Hazel?
Ma'am.
Yeah. Is it clear, Hazel, now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. What is given in your portion slip? You need to learn only that. Don't get confused. Hazel and Janvi. Okay? Yes, Adar, what do you want to say? Say fast.
How much mark will that
letter and diary entry will.
Only 5 marks. Only 5 marks.
Okay, ma'am.
Catherine's eyes have become so big. 5 marks are there for diary entry or letter writing. So write properly. Okay, don't lose your mark. Write properly. Oh, Achyut is scratching the head. Okay, so passage carries 4 mark. Diary entry or letter carries 5 mark. Okay, so only I'm telling you, don't forget the format. So what is the format of diary entry? Diary entry, you have to write the day and the date, then salutation, right? Day, date. If you want, you can write even the time. So day, date, salutation, dear diary, and the content of the diary. And when you write the diary entry, what should you use? You have to use only the first person, that is I. And at the end, you have to write the name. All these steps carry mark. Not only that, the content carries mark. Okay. If you miss the day and date, 1 mark will be cut off. If you miss the salutation, 1 mark will be cut off. If you don't write your name, 1 mark will be cut off, right? So you see that you write all these parts properly. It's easy. Day and date, day and date, then comes the salutation, then comes the content, then name.
Name.
Okay, don't think that only content, what is it? The content, the matter of the diary entry carries mark. No, the content also carries the mark, but the format also has got the mark, right? There is a format in writing diary entry or a letter, even letter, there is a format. So everything, if you write in order, the 5 marks are yours. Don't worry, it's very easy. Okay.
Ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, we should fill in the blanks with the correct ones, or a topic will be given. We should write that.
What is that, Catherine? No, what topic will be given? A completely new topic will be given to you. You have to create your own diary entry on the topic given. Did you understand? I had sent you 2 samples, right? In between, I had sent you 1 or 2 samples and had asked you to write. Hope so you might have written. We had discussed 1 or 2 diary entries in our class, right? Yes. Some of you are showing me hand. So the topic will be given to you. You have to create your own diary entry in simple words. Okay, don't take much tension. All the question paper is quite easy. Only one condition is that you have to study. And I'm so confident in telling this because I have given you the revision. Proper revision is given to you. Don't you agree with me? Don't you agree with me? Do you agree with me or don't you agree with me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, because we have revised each and every little part which comes under English literature. All the small questions, one mark questions I had sent you, right? And the 2 mark questions also I had typed and I had taken a written test. Everything is taken a test. So all the best, my dear children. And once you get the question paper, write only answer. Don't write any question, even antonyms, even whatever comes, write only answer. Don't waste your time writing the questions.
ma'am?
Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, if we write the question, will something happen?
If you write the question, nothing is going to happen. Why should you write? Question is already with me, right? So you need to write only answer. You see the antonym. If antonyms are there, you just write the answer. Past tense, write only the answer. Okay. So
Okay,
write
ma'am.
neatly. All the very best. Don't trouble the teacher who is there for invigilation, attacking, asking so many doubts. It's easy. Question paper is easy. Just be cool, calm. Only the new thing is a reading passage. Reading passage also is very easy. I have given a very simple passage because this is the first time you are attempting this kind of question paper. Am I right? Am I right?
Yes.
Yes. So as you go to the higher classes, you have got the reading passage of high level, difficult level. So since you have starting just now you have started, I have given you a very simple passage. You just need to read the simple passage and answer the questions that follow to the point. Don't write the whole passage 4 times. Okay. Don't write the whole passage for each answer. No writing. You just write the exact point because it carries only 1 mark. Then there are 5 questions which carry 1 mark. There are 5 questions which carry 2 marks. So as Achyut and Catherine were telling, there are big questions should be study. You have to study. Don't miss. Okay. How do you feel now after me explaining all these things? How do you feel? How do you feel? I'm asking you a question after explaining the whole question paper. How do you feel? Do you feel happy or are you tensed? What is your feeling? Tell me.
Ma'am, it's easy.
It's easy, my dear. It's easy. It's easy. Okay. Now, shall we revise the past tense quickly so that
Yes, ma'am.
we can have a test, right? Now here we are going to have a small game. We are going to play a small game between girls and the boys. So get ready, okay? Yeah, somebody is talking there so slowly. So I have shared the board here. I want now see there are two teams, boys and girls. Instead of giving the names boys and girls, I want some nice names, some nice name given to you, your group. What about who will be the boys leader? What about Athar being the boys leader? Is that okay, Athar? Give a name for your team. Vedika will be the girls leader. Vedika, give me the name for your team, Vedika. Athar, be fast. Give the name for the boys team. Any name.
I don't know any names.
What about boys? You one is ready. Come on, you one.
Ma'am, Boys Pro.
Boys?
Pro.
I was also going to tell that.
1 minute. You one, could you please explain to me what is the meaning of this?
Ma'am, Pro means they're
Super.
Professional. Pro means professional.
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 Oh, the short form of professional is pro.
yes.
Very good. As I tell at home, I also have got a lot of short forms. I don't say sanitizer. I say only sani at home. Small words I have. Now, last day my child had fever. So antibiotic, I don't say. I say only anti. You go, it's time for you to take anti. Apply sani. Apply. So, I have got a lot of short forms at home and I talk because there is no time to talk, Sometimes. Okay, I understood. Boys pro. My boys professional. I understood very much. Okay. What about my girls?
Black.
Okay.
And they will put girls pro.
No, you don't talk now. If you talk, 1 mark will be cut from your group now.
Black.
What about
pink.
my girls?
Black pink.
Black?
Pink.
1 minute. What is it, Vedika? Black?
Pink. Black pink.
Black pink. What is the meaning of this? 1 minute. Let her talk, Niharika. 1 minute. Vedika, what is the meaning of this black pink?
Black pink means it's just colors.
1 minute. If I am right, BLACK black and PINK pink.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Anyhow, black pink. Niharika, what happened? Tell me, Niharika. Tell me. Tell him fast. Be fast.
Ma'am, Blackpink is a K-pop song band. It's a K-pop band, Korean band.
Yeah. Okay. So she gave us the meaning. Now let it be. So Blackpink and Boys Pro.
Ma'am, can I change the name again?
No need. Now you belong to a team. Boys belong to Boys Pro and girls belong to Blackpink. What a beautiful and different kinds, unique kind of names. Okay. So the first question goes to the boys. What is the past tense of forgive? Only the boys will put the hand up. Forgive. Be fast. What is the past tense of forgive? Forgive. Pranav.
Forgive.
Spelling.
F-O-R-D-A-V-E.
Okay. So 1 point. Oh. So 1 point for the boys. Now what is the past tense of win? W-I-N, win. Sri Rugda, what is the past tense of win? Sri Rugda, what is the past tense of win?
Can you repeat?
One. I myself gave the answer. What is the past tense of win? So let us go back and revise. What is the past tense of win, my dear Sri Rugda? It is one. Okay. Now let me change my question. What is the past tense of fall? Sri Rugda, can you hear me? Be fast or else I'll pass.
Fell.
Fell. What is the spelling of fell?
F-E-L-L.
F-E-L-L. To the boys again. What is the past tense of no? Niran, what is the past tense of no?
New.
New. What is the spelling of new?
K-N-E-W.
You should be faster in answering. If you are not fast, you will lose the mark. Okay. So the next question goes to the girls. What is the past tense of think? Think. Amaya, Be fast.
Thought.
What is the spelling of thought?
THOUGHT.
THOUGHT is thought. Okay, what is the past tense of say? Past tense of say. Arush, what is the past tense of say?
Said.
Spelling of said. Spelling of said.
SAID.
SAID. Good. What is the past tense of go? Janvi, what is the past tense of go?
Went.
Went. Spelling of went.
WENT.
Okay, my dear boys, what is the past tense of become? Aditya, what is the past tense of become? Aditya, be fast here. Look here. You will lose your point. Your team will lose 1 point. What is the past tense of become? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, it is passed on to the girls. Blank.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, he was not there.
Shingavius. No, it is not informed. See, it is not. What about the notes? Have I not given the notes? Achyut.
Ma'am, he was not there for 3 minutes.
He don't get the note. I was not there for 3 months.
Aditya, 1 minute. Are you not there in the group, my dear Aditya? Are you there in the group or no? Yes or no? Be fast. Okay. Since he was not there, I am again passing on to the boys itself. But next
Yes,
time
ma'am.
I will not spare. Okay. So what is the past tense of become? Sweden, what is the past tense of become? Sweden. See, Achyut, can you hear? He is not responding to me.
Yes,
Sweden?
ma'am, I can hear you.
Yeah, Sweden, what is the past tense of become?
Became.
Became. What is the spelling of became? Be fast. What is the spelling of became?
BECAME.
Okay, very good. BECAME. Became. Niharika, what is the past tense of begin?
Ma'am, can I repeat?
What is the past tense of begin?
Began.
Spelling.
BEGAN.
BEGAN. Okay. Joyarik, what is the past tense of reply?
Replied.
Spelling.
REPLIED.
Okay, 5 points. This is 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Replied. Okay. Now the next question to the girls. What is the past tense of drink? John, what is the past tense of drink?
Drank.
Spelling.
DRANK.
DRANK. Okay. The next question goes to Vaishnav. What is the past tense of here? HEAR. I can't hear you, Vaishnav.
Heard.
Spelling.
HEARD.
It is not heard, it is heard. Okay? It is heard. Should I give full mark or half mark?
Ma'am, full. Ma'am, he.
Half.
Ma'am, full. Full.
Now if you go on shouting minus marks, but the pronunciation was wrong. It is not
Ma'am, that
here.
is
Yeah.
correct.
Ah, okay, the next. Okay, I have given full mark.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Next question goes to Shribhadra Janish. What is the past tense of attach? Shribhadra, what is the past tense of attach?
Detached.
Okay, so the question is passed on to the boys.
Ma'am, she said the answer.
No, she said the first answer, wrong answer, that is detached. Hope so you might have heard.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes,
1
ma'am.
minute.
You tell detached.
1 minute. Let me ask to the boys. Adidev, MB, what is the past tense of attach?
Detached.
Detached. Very good.
Aditya, it's not I antonym.
So 1 minute. So here girls also had got 5 points, right? Girls had got 5 points. So -1 equals to 4. Here boys have got 6 points. So -1 equals to 5. Okay. Now what is the past tense of attach? What is the past tense of attach?
Attached.
Attached. Now what is detach? Detach is the
Antonym of
antonym. Detach is the antonym. Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Catherine.
Ma'am, for the notes, you have not given this word.
It's given, my dear Catherine.
Yes,
Just check.
ma'am, it's given.
It's given. Ma'am,
It's given. Catherine, did you complete the notes, by the way? Have you completed the notes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, just check it. It's given. It's given in the last lesson. That is a puppet traditions of India. Am I right? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I think so. We can stop the game here because we have the winner.
The boys
we have 1 minute. Achyut, if you talk one word extra, 1 point will be cut. Now, which are the other words which I have not asked? What is the past tense of disturb? Be fast. I want to give a Google form test. What is the past tense of disturb? And what is the past tense of bless? Bless. What is the past tense of utter? Uttered. Then comes, oh, okay. I suppose all the words I have dealt with here. Okay.
Observe.
So here, let me declare the winners. The boys pro are the winners with 5 points.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Really professional.
So,
Pro.
okay. So give them a clap. Why my dear Blackpinks are not clapping for them? Come on, clap. It's only a game. Come on, clap, 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 clap. Okay, good. Okay. So here we stop our revision. Now I am going to give you the test. Just check your chat box. I'm going to paste the link. Okay. Just check whether you have got the link.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, just open the link and attempt it fast. Attempt fast. Be fast. Mayasa, did you not get the link, Mayasa? Yeah, just attempt it fast.
Excuse me, ma'am. Can you send once more?
Yeah, why not?
Thank you, ma'am.
It's easy. It's only for 5 marks. And whatever we have learned just now, I have prepared a test on the same topic. Am I right? But check the spelling properly. Check the spelling properly. Don't give me the wrong answer. Check the spelling properly. Okay. Shall I take the attendance till then?
Ma'am, finished.
Show my
So, my dear children, hope so you enjoyed the Google form, a small Google form test, and the game which we played and the revision which we had. Did you enjoy?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So during the time of examination, now one of your friends was telling that he marked the correct answer, but somehow it was wrong. This should not happen for with you during the exam. So be very careful, go slowly. You have got 10 marks, 10
Ma'am.
minutes, right? Achyut, please don't talk and disturb me. Okay. So please don't talk. So you have got Google.
I'm not up to the others.
Okay, so you have got 10 minutes time. So please go through and press the right button and have the right answer. And for the written test, write only answer. Don't write any question. Be calm. You have got a passage, 1 mark question, 2 mark questions, antonyms, then past tense, the meanings, then vocabulary exercises, means the module 4, module 5, module, all the workbook exercises. Don't forget. It's very easy, right? Adding
ma'am.
MENT, ION, do you remember? So it's
Yes,
very
ma'am.
so just revise everything. Be cool, be calm, write only answer. So all the best, my dear children, for all the exams. Okay, see you. Okay, bye bye.
Ma'am.
Ma'am,